Hi everyone, wishing everyone a happy weekend. Today I'm very happy have the opportunity to talk about my eating habits. Today I have two meal and many snacks. In the morning, I often get up at 6 o'clock. I have go to school, so I usually eat breakfast with sticky rice, bread, and dumpling with milk. So I will not be hungry in class. Breakfast in breakfast is very important to me because it provides me with energy. My lunch is very squishy, so I do not want to talk about it. I have a habit eating less, usually at 9 o'clock in the evening. This is my main meal. My dinner consists of rice, vegetable, meat, and fried egg. I think that is enough nutrition. After that, I am more dessert and a little cake. I do not understand why I can not fat. A thought eating is very much and so sad. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.